Here we see the inner workings of a fine Swiss mechanical watch. In a few minutes we're going to tell you about the inner workings of courseDocs. Perhaps not quite as complex, but still worth looking at. Okay, so let's take a look at the inner workings of courseDocs. Let's look at the 7 status levels inside courseDocs. The first 3 are set by students. First is the papers not started. Not started is indicated by the 3 dots in the student paper menu. The second status level is paper saved, which we can see at the bottom of the editor form. Once saved, it becomes viewable by default. The student can click the box that makes the paper unviewable by classmates or teacher. Students can view classmates' papers once a teacher has turned on reading. Status level 3 is papers turned in. We see the turn in button at the top of the student editor. The system gives students a warning, or you're sure you only have one chance to turn your papers in. The next 3 status levels are set by the teacher. Status level 4 is turning commenting on. Students and teachers can embed comments in classmates' papers. Teachers use the Set Reading Comment tab under the assignment menu to set reading and commenting. Reading and commenting are mutually exclusive. Only one can be on at a time, and are both controlled by the teacher under the assignment menu. Here we see reading on, here commenting on. Here we see the tab for papers read comment. Here we see how it shows up when reading is on, and here how it shows up when commenting is on. Status level 5 is paper graded. The teacher uses a grading editor to embed comments. Note that the teacher can uncollect any paper that has been turned in or even graded, although doing so will strip all comment from a graded paper. Status level 6 is paper returned, which we can see is done from the paper status report with the return button. Students can view the grade and read the teacher's grading comments from a landing page. Graded papers remain accessible to students after the current class has ended. The last status level is set by the students. It is placing the paper in their e-portfolio, where it is then available on the open web to any student with the right URL. Here then are the 7 status levels in courseDocs. Just remember, courseDocs is a cloud-based program. The papers really don't move. What changes is their status level. Thanks.